Hey guys, so I'm going to answer the question today of, does the Isagenix Collagen Elixir really work? So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you click the button below and do so that we can share more results, more education, more free resources with you. So I am Nick, and I've been using Collagen Elixir for 7 months now. Now, when I got started, I didn't take photos of everything, and I wish that I did because I didn't know what to expect. I hadn't taken a collagen product before. I didn't know if the results would be that good or that dramatic or what I would get. For me, the biggest thing I noticed from my face was definitely hydration. I noticed it with my lips. I noticed it with just the brightness in my face. But what I didn't take a photo of was my chest area. So they say this is where our age kind of shows as women, and we get the lines on our chest. And for me, it was like overnight, they just appeared. And this is where that reduction of lines has really happened for me. But I want to show you some of the other real people and real results and different results that are going on. So everything from, you can see here, the difference with the lines under the eyes, the hands. So smoother hands, lesser wrinkles, also around the mouth, the smile lines here. We've got Jackie on the left. You can see also more growth. So eyelash growth has been a big one, and baby hair growth as well. So I've had a lot of friends who have said their hairdresser has said, wow, your baby hairs are coming back, especially mums, new mums as well, because we know the hair loss and all that can come as well. So some other ones that I want to show you, which is super cool. This is Leah, one of our clients, and she actually owns one of the high-end skin boutiques over in New Zealand. So she was putting it to the test as a professional. And as you can see, her face is just more hydrated. It's more plump. It's more dewy. And she said this, which is, she's seen firsthand the results of the product and her own improved skin. She won't go a day without it now. And always says to her clients she wouldn't sell anything or recommend anything that she knows does not work and doesn't truly believe in. So that's Leah from Bloom Beauty over in New Zealand. And we have more cool results as well. I'll go through a couple more with you just so you can see them. This one here is across 50 days. So you can see the line at the top of the face just lessen. It's not so deep with the lines, even just the coloring, more brightness, more life in the face. And that's over 50 days. So as I said, I've got exciting things to share at the end of this, which is learning how to trial it for 30 days completely risk-free. So if you want to do the trial of 30 days of Collagen Elixir and see if you get results similar to this, then reach out, subscribe below, and we can organize that for you.